Today I'm going to be showing you guys some of my favorite fidgets, so let's get started.
Yeah, come on.
Okay, got the big box. So my favorite fidget right now, so the total of my favorite fidgets are 10 fidgets. So here's one of them. I love this. I forgot the name, but it's so cool. Okay, so we got that. And I also love wacky tracks. And that's my second one. Oh, and I also like the infinity cube. Okay. And I also love the simple dimple. Okay, now the loud side. And I also love these Among Us puppets. Well, only one. I like all of them, but this is Among Us puppet, so that's my... Wait, 1, 2, 3. That's my fifth one. And then I also like these pop things. And that's my sixth one. Oh, I also love this water timer. Stop. And that's my sixth one. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's my seventh. And then I also love this fidget spinner, simple nipple. You can also pop it. This is the loud side. And that's the eighth one. And I also like this. And that's my ninth one. And let's see.
I'm calling your name.
I also love this mochi. So that's the 10th one. And let's see if there's anything. Oh, and that's the actually the total was 11. Sorry guys. Let me get it. Okay. Pea popper. Pea pod. Pea in a pod. Pea in a pod. Pea in a pod. And that's my 11th. Bye guys.